CBR 1000RR. The bikes we're most excited about from EICMA Honda. Is probably the most attention-grabbing sport bike that the corporate has put out shortly. It's imagined to be one of the crucial, highly effective and quickest two wheels out there. Whereas I can't affirm that the spec sheet seems fairly robust. The bike is anticipated to make someplace around 214 horsepower and include all types of motor-impressed expertise. Honda doesn't at all times push the envelope like this, and it's cool to see the corporate launch one thing that ought to place it on the prime of the sport bike rankings. The bike has loads of trendy tech to assist get the job accomplished. It encompasses a full-color TFT show, electronically adjustable suspension, lean angle sensors, and extra. Hopefully, myself, or one of many different contributors to the location have an opportunity to experience one among these bikes as quickly because it's out there. Harley-Davidson Pan America.